Hi guys, welcome to Z's math tutorial. Today I want to teach you a nifty formula called Heron's formula. So Heron's formula was created by a man named Heron, also known as Hero of Alexandria. So Heron of Alexandria was an extremely influential geometer and engineer. One of his most famous discoveries was this formula, Heron's formula. So you probably know to find the area of a triangle. It's just area equals 1/2 base times height, right? Area equals 1/2 base times height. But we noticed that in our triangle over here, we don't have the height. We don't know what the height is. So how are we supposed to find the area? Well, using Heron's formula, we can easily find the area of this triangle without giving the height, but given the 3 side lengths. So, the formula goes like this. Square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. And this formula will give you the area of this triangle right here. But what does S stand for? What does A stand for? What does B mean? What does C mean? Well, A, B, and C are just the side lengths of a triangle. They can be anything. Side length in a triangle. It doesn't really matter. So A, it's like this A can be this side length, and B is this side length, and C is this side length. And S is just semi-perimeter. S is just semi-perimeter. What semi-perimeter essentially is it's just the perimeter of the triangle over 2. Like in this case, it'd be A plus B plus C over 2. So now that we know what Heron's formula really is and what all the variables stand for, if we were given the sides in this triangle, we could solve for the area. So let's say A equals 5. C also equals 5, and B equals 6. Now, of course, these side lengths can be any other thing. It doesn't really matter. I just chose these side lengths because I thought they'd be easy to understand. So, finding the semi-perimeter first, we have A plus B plus C, which equals 5 plus 5 plus 6 over 2. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. 16 over 2 equals 8. So S, semi-perimeter, equals 8. Okay, so now that we know semi-perimeter, and we also know that side lengths, we can find the area of this whole triangle. So substituting A, B, C, and S into Heron's formula, we can find the area. So let's rewrite the formula. Square root of S, and we know S, which is semi-perimeter, just equals 8. Square root of 8 times another semi-perimeter, 8, minus A, and we know A is just 5, times C times 8, minus B. We'll go over to our triangle, and we see B is 6. 6 times 8 minus C, and we know C is 5. Because looking back at our triangle, we see the last side length is just 5. So here we have our equation. If we can solve this, we will find the area of our triangle. So solving this equation, we have square root of 8 times 3, because 8 minus 5 is 3, times 2, because 8 minus 6 is 2, times another 3, because we have another 8 minus 5. Let's see what these are. 8 times 3 is 24, times 2, times 3, which equals 48, times 3, 48 times 3, which equals, let's see, 144. And we know the square root of 144 is just 12. So the area of this triangle is 12. Area equals 12. So I hope you found that video interesting. I frankly think that Heron's formula is really cool and interesting just to learn. And I hope you do too. If you want me to go over any topic, just comment down below and I'll try and go over it. Thank you.